Guess it's time for one of those videos again. Okay, hi everybody, how's it all going? Hopefully you guys can hear me properly. Yeah, I'm kind of like sporting a the new Corona cut, whatever you want to call it. But anyways, I want to make this video a little bit to you, the viewer, and to everyone else that's out there that watches this channel. So, but to each and every person, hopefully you're doing well, you're staying safe, you're staying out of this messitude, and if you're in this mess and you're one of those first responders, thank you so much for your services. So, I am shooting this with my selfie stick, and it's doing some weird stuff all of a sudden. Mode. Oops. There we go. Just straighten this up a little. Okay, there we go. So, I'm keeping my distance. I'm just walking on my local street, just taking a little bit of break from everything for 3D printing because, well, let's face it, we all need a break once in a while. But what I wanted to do this video was just basically let you guys know what's going on with the channel. Why? Well, you haven't seen a lot of videos posted. Well, number one, coronavirus. Or as it's known as human malware. I gotta start saying that human malware. But anyways, this is unedited. Well, it's going for my editor just to add some stuff into this, but that's about it. But once again, hopefully you guys liked the last video that just recently went up. Like I said, there's going to be a delay in videos, only because I'm helping out other people with other projects. You know, 3D printing initiative to print ear savers for masks, that type of stuff. So all that is going on right now. And to be honestly truthful, it's taken a lot from me doing what I want to do with the channel. And every so often this thing likes to go sideways. So I'm just kind of adjusting the camera here a little bit. Alright, there we go. Alright. But no, it's just doing stuff and, you know, getting stuff done. It does take a little while. So I do apologize, this video is a little rocky. Not meant to be. I was hoping the gimbal stabilizer might work, but as you can see, it's working a little bit. So I'll just slow down my walking. Right now, walking by the local golf course, which is basically on the other side of my street. I would show it to you guys if I could. Let's see if I can. No, won't let me switch cameras while I'm in the view. That sucks. Well, it is what it is, right? But, yeah, no, I'm just trying to take it easy, trying to take it one day at a time. And, yeah, that's why I haven't recorded any videos. I'm so busy. Hoping probably another wind gust. Yeah, it's gusty today, too. It's not, as you can see, the gust is kind of moving the camera back and forth here. A good thing. Yeah. But no, I'm not going to this. It's just going straight up. I'll probably add a little bit so you guys know what this is all about. But, and just giving you an update why there hasn't been that many videos, why I've been kind of slacking, if that's what you call it, slack, and I call it more just motivation has gone. It's not that I've lost art in the hobby, it's I've lost. I guess I just got tired, in a sense. You know, come up with new ideas. It's not an easy thing to do, and you know, I could sit down, I could really hash them out, but it's sitting down and doing it. It's the, what am I going to talk about next? How can I put this into a video and make it that you guys would enjoy it? I know there's a lot of you that enjoyed the filament reviews I've been putting out. Thank you so much for the nice responses. But I don't know. Is there something more I can do? And now my camera wants to go point a different way. This new software is behind me up the wall. Okay. Turn this way. There we go. Okay. The joystick's weird on this thing, but oh well, it's working now. So, yeah. Let's see if we can get that view to work now. Hold it. Don't move around. Stop that. There we go. Change the camera angle. Oh, that just allows me to take a picture while I'm doing the video. Okay. So I can't change the camera view. If I could, I would, but I can't. So maybe I'll just turn the camera up. Maybe I'll stop this and record outside of my area. Nah, that's not me. What? The camera turning one way. Stay focused on me, camera. So, yeah, I'm playing outside with a gimbal. So, but is there anything that you want to see me talk about? Now, I know I don't have any new printers in stock, and I can't afford a new one at the moment. Trust me, if I could, I would be buying the Ender 5, because that Ender 5 is gorgeous. But, like I said, budget, not working. I got other things to pay for. And those are more important, unfortunately. But if you can think of something that you'd want to see me, grab, if you want to donate a printer, I'll gladly accept it. But last year what I did is I used that money, got another printer, an Ender 3, so I could do a review on it. And I want to let you guys know that if you donate money, that's what it goes towards. It goes towards everything I do in that shop. To buying new printers and showing you what you can do with these printers, to all the way from, doing little tips and tricks. I mean, my ham radio stuff that I do on the other channel, VA3FUC, it's for that. It's for ham radio. It's meant as another outlet showing another hobby I enjoy. If you guys like that channel, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. But I really didn't do that channel for 3D printing. I did it for my own self because I enjoy the hobby. But if you are on that channel and you are watching it, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. But all you guys know is that I'm still around, I'm still doing stuff. It's just been with these uncertain times, with this new age, whatever going on, or as I like to call, human malware. Yeah, it's one of those things. But I want to put this video out to let you guys know I'm still here. I'm still going to be talking about 3D printing. Just running low on ideas and what to go recycle. Now, I could do a whole video on how to level your bed, which was an option I was thinking of doing. A video on other stuff. I got ideas. It's just getting them from out of the head onto video. And that's just the problem. It's just finding the time, getting it done, and getting it out there. But, I'd like to hear what you guys have to say. Anyways, comment down below. Let me know. As always, everybody, stay safe. And beware of the human malware virus that's out there. So stay safe, stay home if you can. And if you're an essential worker, thanks for what you do. Anyways, guys, I'm going to go walk here. So thanks so much. Have yourselves a great day. Bye now.